How's it going, everybody? This is Fastlane Fixer, and today I am actually getting another go-kart, or two possibly. I'm not quite sure yet, but we're on our way now. We're just about there, just a few more minutes. So I'll see you after I get it. Okay, guys. So I got the go-kart, as you can see right there. So it went pretty well. I gave him $120, which isn't that bad it runs. So now we are on our way to get another one. We're just a few minutes away. They were pretty close. I'll see you again if we get it or not. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and I didn't film this one last night because it was just too dark and you wouldn't have been able to see it very well. But here it is. That just goes right on top there. There's all the wiring, fuel tank, and it's actually a two-stroke. So I've never had a two-stroke before, but I'm not actually going to be working on that today. I'm going to be working on this one, just so I can kind of get it sold and get it out of the way. First, I think I'm going to go ahead and shorten the chain because it's way too long. Okay, what I did is I just shortened the chain. I had to do it an extra length short, because if I didn't, I'd need a half link, and I don't have one of those. So I'm just gonna slide the engine back, put the chain on, then slide it forward again to tighten it up. There we go, got the chain on. Now I just need to slide the engine forward to get the slack out. Chain's pretty tight. I mean, it's not like perfect or anything, but it's a lot tighter than it was, so that'll do. Now, the front tires, they're both like really wobbly, and especially this one, the bearing's like giving out. So as you may remember, I have two front tires from the last one wheel peel go-kart that I can put on here. I'm not quite sure if they'll fit or not, but I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, now these have been made so that they can be put on by 4 different bolts, but I think if I take that off, take off the plate that switches it from just one nut to 4, I think I should be able to make these work. So I'm gonna take this off and see if it'll work. Look at all that rust that just came off. I think I just need to take this off, and then I should be able to get this part off. That's how the bearing was right in there. As you can see, there's no bearing in there. So I can't salvage this one, but yeah, that's all messed up. Wow. Okay. Now, let's see if we can put those 2 tires on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and see if the brakes work and everything like that. See if it idles fine and everything. And I want to he said that this kill switch up here works, but I just want to make sure because we didn't actually test it yet. as you just saw there, the chain came off and it just flew off. Oh, that's a different one. There was 2 master links apparently. And the one that I worked with, I noticed that this part right here was a little gnarled up, like they tried to grind it off or something. So that just flew apart. And bearings on the rear are just, they're gone. So I'm gonna have to fix that also. So let's go ahead and pull this tire off, pull this wheel off, and see what's up. Yeah, that bearing's gone. As you can see, there's not really much left of the bearing. I'm gonna go ahead and get these off and get a better look on the inside. Okay, let's see what's in there and take it apart. So, get that. Here's a sprocket, nice size sprocket. Okay. Yeah, there's supposed to be a bearing in there, and there isn't. So, I might could take the bearings out of this one and put them in here, because they look like they're the right size. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try that. I got the bearings out of this, so I just put it in the vise like that, and then use this punch and a hammer and got from the, so like to get that out, I'd get it from this side and just punched it out. So got that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to get him in there. Let's see how this goes. So it doesn't go like all the way in, that's as far as it'll go, and I tried taking the snap ring off, but it doesn't go any farther anyways. So I'm just gonna put it on, and I'm thinking once I put the sprocket on and tighten it up, it won't be able to move. And I think that should work. So I'm gonna put it on, and I don't know, let's find out. Okay, got the chain back together. I didn't use a master link. I used the same link that I got out earlier, but I just put it as a normal link. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put a helmet on, get in it, and I'm gonna try it out. I think I'm going to go ahead and post it on Facebook Marketplace Not sure how much yet though. But I think that's gonna have to be the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.